plane, race a car, drive a train. Would you want to?
Charley? Oh.
Imagine you could sail the seas, fly to the moon, swing through the trees. Would you want to?
Unbelievable.
With little Charlie Bear that's a friend for you. And with your imagination, there's nothing you can do. You gotta love little Charlie Bear. You gotta love that bear.
There you are, Charley.
You gotta love little Charlie Bear. You gotta love that bear.
Are you there, Charlie Bear? Charlie? Oh, where can he be? Will you help me call him? Ready? Are you there, Charlie Bear? Charlie? Charlie! Well, you really are in a hurry today. Why are you running? I know. You're timing yourself to see how fast you can run. Off again? Charlie, you'll tire yourself out at this rate. Why don't you race against someone? Then you'll really find out how fast you are, Charlie. Ah, you're going to race Rivet. And they're off. Well, okay, Rivet's not that fast, but he is quite fast for a robot. And with that steady rhythm, Rivet won't get tired out easily. Not every race is won by sprinting as fast as you can, you know. Sometimes you have to pace yourself. Wow! The crowd love you, Charlie. Are you the running race champion? Ah, I see. It's a race between you and Rivet on a real running track in a real sports stadium.
Ladies and gentlemen, and one squeaky penguin. It's the Little Charlie Bear versus Rivet the Robot Grand Final Running Race.
Careful, Charlie. Don't use up all your energy.
Runners to the starting line. Runners, on your marks. Get set.
Oh, he's gone. Charlie, you weren't supposed to start. The announcer hasn't said go yet.
Okay then. Runners, on your marks. Get set. Go!
Whoa! Look at Charlie go. Look how fast Charlie is running.
Little Charlie Bear is racing to a huge lead. This is amazing. This is unheard of. He's even going to lap Rivet the Robot, ladies and gentlemen. And one squeaky penguin. Little Charlie Bear is running such a fast race, even I'm feeling dizzy.
Uh-oh. Charlie's getting tired and puffed out. Charlie, maybe you should slow down so you can last the whole race. I mean it, Charlie. You should save your energy and pace yourself. Charlie! That's the wrong way, Charley. This is silly. You're running way more than you have to, and now you've run out of breath. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. You really are tired out. Stop trying to run so fast, Charley. Slowly and surely we'll win you the race.
Rivet the Robot wins!
Oh, well, it won't Rivet the race at least. That's called being a good sport, Charley. Well done. It's amazing what you can do with your imagination, Charley. Is Rivet the fastest robot ever? And are you proud of him? And I'm proud of you. Bye-bye, little Charley Bear. Bye-bye, everybody.